Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share some Dollar General items with you and DollarTree. First up, just some cold medicine. The maximum strength cold flu and sore throat, 10 soft gels, which means 5 doses. I needed to replenish my cold medicines after being sick, so that's what this is saying. Maximum strength daytime non-drowsy severe cold and flu. 10 soft gels, so 5 doses. And these were $1 each in the dollar bills. Actually, all these items are from the dollar bill. And I picked up this refill for my Spick and Span antibacterial cleaner that I have already sitting on the counter. But this is a 20 fluid ounce for $1 in the lemon scent. They also had lavender, but y'all know me in lavender. So I picked the lemon. And this is the antibacterial cleaner, fresh lemon scent. Cuts through grease and grime. I love this as a disinfectant for the countertops and stuff. Thought that was a good deal, considering you get less than 16 ounces at DollarTree for $1.25. The next item I was pretty excited about because it's been a while since I've seen this brand at the Dollar General. But Soft Whisper, if y'all have never tried Soft Whisper products, they're really nice. They're usually only $1 at Dollar General, and this one's in a bonus size, so this is the biggest body wash I've seen from them. It's 22 fluid ounces, and it's in a scent that I've never seen there before, and well, it's been a while since I've seen them, like I said, but toasty coconut. This smells amazing. If you love coconut beach kind of scents, you'll probably really love this. These are always thick and moisturizing. They lather really nicely. Highly recommend Soft Whisper over any of the other dollar shower gels. This stuff is nice. And that's all for Dollar General. Oh, on to DollarTree. I did pick up a 30 count of plates and a Scotty's tissue 2-ply 128 count tissue. We did get Connor a couple like outdoorsy kind of little catch and mitt thing that they had there, and he's already took off with that stuff. So moving on, I did find some new gnomes at the DollarTree. These are so adorable. They had these in 2 separate styles at my DollarTree. The first one I picked up is for 4th of July or anytime, and he has a rectangle style hat, and they also had a pointy hat. They had lots of gnome decor, but isn't he adorable? And then I also picked up one for summery, like summertime, but I'm gonna probably put him out now. He's so adorable. They also had this one 2 styles. He has a pointy hat. I believe the other one had a pointy hat. They both had he had sunglasses, and the other one had like a snorkel and a float, a unicorn float. It's just super cute too. But I love the little coconut drink and his sunglasses, and he's wearing flip-flops. I just thought this was so adorable, and you just cannot beat $1.25 for these gnomes. They're actually pretty tall. They're weighted at the bottom, so they will sit on the counter or shelf, wherever you decide to put them. It's totally worth the $1.25. Moving on, so I saw this Santoku knife. Probably said that wrong, but it's a big like butcher knife, and I'm going to see if this works alright. I've actually used knives from the DollarTree before, still got 1 or 2 in my kitchen, and they work just fine, so I'm curious. Plus I have a knife sharpener, so picked up that. I found so many neat finds, so many exciting finds in like the beauty and makeup kind of areas yesterday, and I picked up these 2 headbands, and they look like this, and one is matte, which I love, and one is like a glossy, you know, finish on that one. These are nice. I'm back into wearing headbands, so pick those up. And I was super excited about these because I wanted some from Shop My Save, but they were almost $2 each. Not for a pair, but each. and I've waited and I found these at the Dollar Tree yesterday. The Be Pure Peppermint Infused Moisturizing Gloves. And I've been wanting some of these so when I apply cuticle oil or hand cream, I can slip these on and still continue to use my mouse, my keyboard, stuff like that. So I can't wait to test these out. Still speaking on hand stuff, I did pick up another Be Pure Mango Cuticle Oil Pen. This is my favorite cuticle oil from the Dollar Tree. It smells amazing. These work fantastic. They do have this in mango and lavender, but I just cannot do the lavender. The mango one is so nice. So I picked up another one of those. And I did find the Dermasil Hand Cuticle Cream with shea butter and coconut oil, which I'm extremely excited to try. It's 4 ounces. It's a pretty big size in terms of hand creams and sizes of hand creams from the Dollar Tree. So typically you get them in about 1 ounce containers at Dollar Tree. So I'm excited to try this out. I love testing new hand creams. I also picked up another repeat purchase, and it's the Diamond Cosmetics Super Dry Top Coat. Love this top coat. Will continue to purchase it. It dries super quickly and I always use it. These nails are at least 4 days old now. No chips or anything. I wash dishes twice a day. I'm just saying it's a good testament to that top coat they're selling in the design. And then I really wanted a white and black nail polish because I was almost out, and I have been liking this Color Vibe nail polish that they have there. So I picked up a white, and it's called White Out. It's just a basic white. Hopefully it's opaque in at least 2 coats, and because I'm excited to try this out. Here's the black. I go through black and white nail polish really fast. This one's actually called Cosmic Black, and I just realized, I don't know if the camera will pick up on it, but it has glitters in it. So really pretty and definitely will be used. I'll try to get some pictures of that. Oh, no, you can see it there. Oh, that's really pretty. Either way, I go through black and white really fast because of all the nail stuff I do. And then this one I picked up because it's absolutely stunning, and you don't see many duochrome or multi-chrome polishes at a dollar store. And this one is called Lunar from Color Vibes. And it is a sheer one, so it can be built up or worn sheer or as a topper. And this is a shimmery blue polish that has a very strong purple shift to it. And in some lights yesterday I saw a slight gold in there as well. Absolutely stunning. And moving on, more makeup items. And this is the last few items, but still exciting. I did pick up the Sassy and Chic mini powder puffs. I love that these come in a little case as well, and have the little spot where you can put your finger in them, and then you use the puff to set powder. And I think these will be really nice for under eyes or anywhere you really want to set your makeup. And I think they're pretty with the pastel colors as well. It's a really good deal. I always buy Ioni lashes, and this time I got the Ioni 3D Foam Ink lashes in the style Natural Light Doll, which I have had in the past. It's stunning for a natural looking lash. And these lashes are super easy to apply. They're flexible, and the band isn't too thick. Like, they're really nice lashes. Get multiple uses out of these. So, and then the last item I picked up is from LaColors, and it is from their Bubble Tea collection. Look at that hollow packaging. It's nice, pretty. I picked the purple one up. They had a peach one as well, and this is the first time I've seen the purple one, and I love purples. And this is Ubi Shimmer. or UV shimmer. I'm not entirely sure how to say that, but very, very pretty purple colors. And I will be doing a look using the new makeup items, testing them out, doing a look, doing a video showing these products. That is all my Dollar Tree items. I hope you guys enjoyed the haul. Stay tuned for more videos like these, and if you want to see any reviews on the hand creams, the cuticle oil, the gloves, anything like that, any of the makeup, just let me know and I will definitely do that. I thank you guys so very much for watching, and don't forget to check the description box as well as the cards for additional Dollar Tree links.